Welcome to Mauritius. A tiny dot in the Indian Ocean. But oh, what a powerful story it tells. This is not just a tropical island paradise with postcard beaches and luxury resorts. This is a living, breathing mosaic of cultures, traditions, and people from all walks of life. In this mini-doc series, we invite you to discover Mauritius like never before, through its people, its food, its festivals, and its spirit. One island, many cultures. Let's dive in. Roots and history. Mauritius was uninhabited until the 16th century. Over time, it welcomed, or was shaped by, waves of explorers, colonizers, slaves, and immigrants. From the Dutch, French, and British to African slaves, Indian indentured laborers, Chinese merchants, and Muslim traders, all came and stayed. Today, the island stands as one of the few places on Earth where cultures don't just coexist, they blend harmoniously to form something truly unique. Language and lifestyle. Here in Mauritius, we switch languages like we switch spices in a curry, effortlessly. You'll hear Creole on the streets, French on TV, English in schools, and Bhojpuri or Mandarin at grandma's house. And the lifestyle, a mix of everything. A Hindu wedding one weekend, a Chinese festival the next, and don't be surprised if you're invited to an Eid feast and a Christian mass in the same week. That's Mauritius for you. Open arms and full hearts. Food and flavors. Hungry? Good, because Mauritian food tells the real story of our diversity. Dal puri with chutney on the roadside, Chinese fried noodles in Chinatown, rich biryanis, Creole rougail, French baguettes with café noir. It's a foodie's dream island. Each dish tells a story. Every recipe is a mix of cultures, passed down from generations, shared with love. Festivals and celebrations. The Mauritian calendar is basically a year-long celebration. Maha Shivaratri sees thousands of Hindus walk barefoot with decorated kanwars. Chinese New Year paints the streets red with dragons and lanterns. Eid brings neighborhoods together with sweet treats and joy. And Christmas lights up every city with music and laughter. In Mauritius, every festival is for everyone, no matter your faith or background. When it's time to celebrate, we celebrate together. Unity in diversity. What makes Mauritius truly special isn't just the people, it's how they live together. Mosques stand next to temples, churches near pagodas. Kids grow up sharing meals, beliefs, and stories. There's no us and them. It's always we. We laugh together, argue sometimes too, but always find a way to move forward together. That's the beauty of this island. That's the heart of Mauritius. So, whether you're a traveler, a curious soul, or someone with Mauritian roots, we hope this gave you a glimpse of something deeper than beaches and resorts. Mauritius is more than a destination. It's a cultural heartbeat, and this is just the beginning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more episodes from One Island, Many Cultures. Until next time, a bientôt, Nakelam. See you soon.